Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of the Jeffree Star Winter Mini Mystery Box. So let's just get started. I pulled it out of the box already, so it's just wrapped up in the tissue. I didn't look at it yet, so let's see what I got. Hold on a second. Okay, so I got Velour Liquid Lipstick from the Shane Dawson collection, and it is Jeffree What the blank. It's one of the ones I wanted. I also want Diet Coke, or the Diet Root Beer, whatever it is. The silver one. I want that one from this collection too, so. The next one I got is the gloss, and it's from his Orgy collection, I think. And this is called Beaded Glass. And then I got a lip scrub. I love his lip scrubs. They're my favorite. This one is watermelon gum. So I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm really excited to try a different one. I'll open the box so you can see what colors they are. Hold on a second. Okay. So this is it looks more red on camera, but it's actually a really bright pink. Like it's a bright pink. But anyway, I wanted this color from the Shane Dawson collection. I also want the Diet Coke, like I said. I'll have prices listed of what everything was when I edit. I paid $25 for the mini mystery box. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. I mean, why not? Here's the beaded glass color. Looks like a nice sheer gloss. And I'm really excited about this watermelon gum. So, anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like mystery box unboxings. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.